Hey guys, welcome back to a video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing an unboxing of this phone lot I picked up on eBay. If I remember right, we'll see which one it is, but I said I ordered these a while ago and I kind of forgot about them. Let me throw that out to the side. Alrighty, so here we got this one. This was a phone that I've been wanting to get for a long time now. It's the Samsung SPH M240, which I have one of these, but it's not a Sprint one. It's some kind of generic third-party company. This is the actual Sprint device. Sprint logo is on it, so it is dead. I already have this phone. This is a Sony Ericsson Z something, if I remember right. Z520A. So I'll probably just take the battery out of this and probably sell it because I already have one of these. This is the non-push to talk version. This one I bought also for the lot because I got one of these just recently and the antenna is all chewed up off of it. And I don't know what I did with that phone either. It's probably in the box of phones I haven't tested yet, but got a nice antenna. And let's see if we can get this back cover off, maybe. I don't know if we can get it off or not. It seems to be stuck on there from possible water damage. Oh, there we go. Whew. It looks like it is definitely sticky, the whole bottom of this phone, so I don't know what it's been in. You see, it is pretty clean. It's a CDM 120 SP. I'm not going to put that backpack on that one until I clean it. Now this one I don't have either. Samsung SGH A137. I don't think I have one of these. I could be wrong, but I don't think I do. Looks to be in decent shape. Something on the side. Definitely not going to touch it until I clean it. And then another razor, because I seem to get 1,000 of these things. No matter what lot I get, I usually end up with a razor out of one of them that I ordered. This one's got heavy scratching on the screen from being open like this a lot, so I think it's a Verizon model, and it is. No battery, water damaged, V3M. So that's a nice unboxing, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video, and stay tuned for the next one.